Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of water filtration. Clean, fresh-tasting water is a must for every household, and with so many options on the market, it can be hard to know which water filter is right for you. That's why we've narrowed it down to the top 5 water filters that combine performance, value, and reliability. As always, you can find links to each product in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Amazon Basics replacement water filters. If you're on a tight budget, this is the most affordable option on our list, priced at just $12.29 for a 3-pack. These filters are designed to work seamlessly with Amazon Basics and Brita water pitchers, making them a versatile choice for households already equipped with compatible systems. The design is pretty straightforward, and the build quality is decent, especially considering the price point. Each filter is WQA certified against NSF standards 42, 53, and 372, meaning it effectively reduces chlorine taste and odor, as well as contaminants like zinc, cadmium, and mercury. With each filter lasting up to 40 gallons per 2 months, this is a solid option for those who want clean, great-tasting water on a budget. However, the trade-off for the low price is that it may not perform as well as its higher-end competitors when it comes to advanced filtration. While it's great for basic needs, it might not be ideal for those who want to remove pharmaceuticals or more complex impurities. Overall, this is a fantastic entry-level option for anyone looking to save money without sacrificing too much quality. At number 4, we have the GE RPWFE refrigerator water filter. This is a high-quality replacement filter designed specifically for GE French door refrigerators. Priced at $49.95, it's on the higher end, but its premium filtration capabilities make it worth considering. This filter is certified to reduce over 50 impurities, including chlorine-resistant cysts, lead, and even select pharmaceuticals like ibuprofen and progesterone. The simple, tool-free installation process is a major plus, and it has a 6-month or 300-gallon filter life, which is perfect for families who consume a lot of water. The build quality is excellent, and it integrates seamlessly with compatible refrigerators, ensuring your water and ice taste fresh and clean. On the downside, this filter's higher price and limited compatibility might make it less appealing to those who don't own a GE refrigerator. However, if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance filter that tackles a wide range of impurities, this is a solid choice for your home. Coming in at number 3, we have the Brita Standard water filter for pitchers and dispensers. Brita is a household name in water filtration, and this product lives up to the brand's reputation. At $25.49 for a pack of 6, it offers excellent value for households that prioritize both cost efficiency and performance. These filters are compatible with most Brita pitchers and dispensers, except the Stream series, and are designed to reduce common contaminants like chlorine, copper, mercury, and cadmium, ensuring great-tasting water every time. Each filter can last for up to 40 gallons, or about 2 months, depending on your usage. The pull-top cap design makes replacing the filter a breeze, and the durable polypropylene construction ensures longevity. While it's not as advanced as some premium filters when it comes to tackling pharmaceuticals or complex impurities, it's an excellent option for anyone looking to save money on single-use plastic bottles and improve the taste of their tap water. If you're already a Brita user, this is a no-brainer upgrade. At number 2, we have the Zero Water Official Replacement Filter, a favorite for those who want the purest water possible. Priced at $48.59 for a 4-pack, this filter employs a 5-stage ion exchange process that removes virtually all dissolved solids, including lead, chromium, and PFOA/PFOS. The result? Water that's as close to 0 TDS, total dissolved solids, as you can get. Certified by IAPMO and made from BPA-free materials, these filters go above and beyond when it comes to performance. Each filter has a lifespan of about 15 gallons, which is slightly shorter than some competitors, but the advanced filtration justifies the trade-off. Zero Water even includes a TDS meter so you can monitor the purity of your water in real time. The downside? The shorter lifespan means you'll need to replace these filters more frequently, which can add up over time. However, If you're serious about water purity and want a noticeable difference in taste and quality, this is the filter for you. Finally, at number 1, we have the LG LT1000P refrigerator water filter, the premium choice on our list. At $54.99, it's the most expensive option here, but it delivers exceptional performance and peace of mind with its NSF 42, NSF 53, and NSF 401 certifications. This filter eliminates 99.99% of cysts, 99% of asbestos, and nearly all traces of mercury, lead, and benzene. It even tackles herbicides, pesticides, and pharmaceuticals, making it one of the most comprehensive filters available. With a 200-gallon capacity and a 6-month lifespan, it's perfect for larger households or anyone who prioritizes both quality and convenience. The only drawback is its compatibility. It's specifically designed for LG refrigerators. If you have the right model, though, this is an investment in superior water quality that's hard to beat. From design to performance, the LG LT1000P sets the gold standard for refrigerator water filters. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect water filter for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay hydrated and see you in the next video.